A Day at the Park. Chapter 1. The Morning Walk. It was a sunny Saturday morning. The sky was blue and the birds were singing. Mia woke up early and stretched her arms. She smiled.
Today is a perfect day to go to the park.
She said. Mia lived with her mom, dad, and little brother Leo. Leo was 5 years old. He loved to run and play. Mia was 8. She liked nature and animals. They both liked the park near their house. Mia put on her sneakers and her red cap. Leo wore his favorite t-shirt with a picture of a lion.
Are you ready?
Mom asked.
Yes.
Mia and Leo said together. Dad smiled and picked up the picnic bag. They walked out the door. The sun was warm and the air smelled fresh.
Let's go.
Said Mia, holding Leo's hand. The walk to the park was short. They passed green trees and small houses. A big dog barked from a garden.
Woof, woof.
Leo laughed.
That dog says good morning.
When they reached the park, everything looked so pretty. The grass was green, and the flowers were yellow and pink. Birds flew in the sky.
It's so nice here.
Mia said. Mom pointed to a bench under a big tree.
Let's sit here for a while.
She said. They all sat and listened to the birds.
I want to run.
Leo said. He jumped up and ran around in circles. Mia giggled.
Be careful,
Dad called. Suddenly, they saw something move in the grass.
What is that?
Asked Mia. A little squirrel ran by. It had a fluffy tail and small black eyes. It climbed a tree very fast.
Wow,
Said Leo.
that squirrel is fast.
Mia took out her small notebook. She liked to draw things in the park. Today, she drew a tree and a bird.
Look at my bird.
She said.
It has blue wings.
That's beautiful.
Said Mom.
You're a great artist.
After walking, running, and drawing, they were ready for something new.
Let's go see the ducks.
Said Leo.
good idea.
Said Dad.
They are near the pond.
Mia took Leo's hand again, and they walked down the path. Trees shaded the walkway. They saw people walking dogs, kids riding bikes, and families laughing.
I love the park.
Mia said.
There is always something fun to do.
They turned the corner. The pond was just ahead and the ducks were waiting. Chapter 2. Meeting the Ducks. Mia and Leo walked quickly toward the pond. The path was quiet. Only the sound of leaves in the wind and soft bird songs filled the air.
There it is.
Said Leo, pointing. The pond sparkled in the sunlight. The water was calm and clear. A group of ducks swam slowly near the edge.
Look at the ducks.
Said Mia.
There are so many.
Some ducks were brown. Some had green heads. One small duckling followed its mother.
A baby duck.
Said Leo.
So cute.
Mia took some bread from the picnic bag.
Can we feed them?
She asked. Dad nodded.
Yes, but only a little.
Mia and Leo broke the bread into small pieces. They threw the pieces near the water.
Here you go, little ducks.
Leo said. The ducks swam closer. They ate the bread quickly.
They are hungry.
Mia laughed. One duck made a loud sound.
Quack, quack.
Leo laughed too.
He's talking to us.
More people came to see the ducks. A girl with a pink jacket waved at Mia.
Hi,
She said.
my name is Sarah. Do you like ducks?
Yes.
Said Mia.
They are so funny.
Sarah smiled.
My grandma brings me here every Saturday.
Leo looked at Sarah.
Do you want to play?
Sarah looked at her grandma. She nodded.
Okay,
Said Sarah.
let's run to the tree and back.
Ready, set, go.
Shouted Leo. They all ran across the grass. The ducks watched them from the water. When they came back, they were laughing and out of breath.
You are fast.
Said Mia. Sarah smiled.
You too.
Mom called from the bench.
Come here, kids. It's time for water.
The 3 children ran back. Dad gave them each a bottle. The water was cold and fresh.
Thank you.
Said Sarah.
You're welcome.
Said Daddy.
It's a hot day. You need to drink water.
The ducks were still in the pond, swimming slowly. The baby duck followed its mother closely. Mia watched them.
I want to draw the ducks.
She said. She opened her notebook again. This time she drew a big duck and a baby duck. She colored the water blue.
You draw so well.
Said Sarah.
Thanks.
Said Mia.
Do you like to draw too?
Yes,
Sarah said.
I draw houses and trees.
Mia smiled,
Maybe we can draw together next time.
That sounds fun.
said Sarah. Suddenly, the wind blew stronger. A boy's kite flew high in the sky,
Wow,
said Leo,
look at that.
Let's go see the kites.
said Mia,
Yes,
said Sarah.
come on.
The children ran across the grass, excited to see the flying colors in the sky. Chapter 3, The Flying Kite. The sky was bright blue. White clouds moved slowly above the park. A red kite danced in the air,
Look at it go.
said Leo. He pointed up and smiled. The kite turned left, then right. It flew high like a bird. A boy held the kite string. He was a little older than Mia. His name was Ben.
Hi,
Mia said,
your kite is amazing.
Thanks.
said Ben.
My grandpa made it for me.
Sarah looked up.
It's flying so high.
Ben smiled.
Do you want to try?
Really?
Asked Leo,
Sure.
said Ben.
Just hold the string and don't let go.
Leo took the string. The wind pulled it hard.
Whoa, he said. It's strong.
You're doing it, said Mia.
Sarah clapped.
Go, kite, go.
The kite turned again. It moved fast in the sky. Leo laughed and ran a little. The kite followed. Mia looked around.
There are more kites, she said.
Green, yellow, and blue kites filled the air. Some looked like animals, one like a dragon, one like a butterfly,
They're beautiful.
said Sarah.
Let's get our kite.
Said Leo,
Yes,
said Mia.
it's in the bag.
They ran to Mom and Dad,
Can we fly our kite now? Mia asked.
Of course.
said Dad. He helped take out the kite. It was shaped like a rainbow. Dad held it up,
Ready?
Ready.
said Mia. The wind blew. Dad let go. The kite rose slowly. Mia held the string. She walked back, pulling the line.
It's flying.
She shouted. Leo and Sarah cheered.
You did it.
The kite climbed higher. It moved smoothly, left and right. The colors shone in the sun,
I love this.
said Mia.
It feels like magic.
Sarah took a turn. Then Leo flew it again. They laughed, taking turns, running in circles. Ben came back,
You're all good kite flyers, he said.
Thank you.
said Mia.
This is the best day.
Ben smiled.
Windy days are the best for parks.
The children played until their arms were tired. Then they sat on the grass, watching the kites above,
I want to come back tomorrow.
said Leo.
Me too, said Sarah. Let's meet again.
Okay.
Said Mia. The wind was softer now. The kites flew slowly. The children sat close, happy and quiet. Then Mom called.
Who wants ice cream?
All three jumped up. Me! They ran toward the ice cream cart, the kite still flying high behind them. Chapter 4, The Ice Cream Treat. The sun was hot. The wind felt warm now. Mia, Leo, and Sarah ran to the ice cream cart. The cart was red and white. It had pictures of ice cream on the side, cones, cups, and popsicles. A man stood behind the cart. He wore a big smile and a white hat.
Hello, kids, he said. Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, please.
Said Mia,
What flavors do you have?
asked Leo,
We have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mango, and mint.
said the man.
Ooh,
Said Sarah.
so many.
Mia looked at the pictures,
I want strawberries, please.
Good choice.
said the man. He took a cone and scooped pink ice cream into it. Leo said.
I want chocolate.
Sarah said.
I'll have mango.
The man gave them their cones.
Here you go.
He said.
3 happy treats.
They sat on a bench under a tree. It was shady and cool. Mia licked her ice cream.
Yum. It's so sweet.
Leo had a big bite.
I love chocolate.
Sarah laughed.
Mine tastes like summer.
They watched people walk by, families, dogs, and babies in strollers. A little girl dropped her cone.
Oh no!
She said. The man from the cart saw her. He came over and gave her a new one. For free,
That was kind.
said Mia.
Yes,
Said Leo.
Ice Cream Man is a hero.
Sarah looked at the sky.
Our kite is still flying.
The rainbow kite moved slowly in the wind. It looked peaceful now,
I'm happy and
said Mia.
Me too.
Said Leo.
Today is fun.
Sarah smiled.
Let's take a picture.
They stood in front of the cart. Mia held her cone. Leo pointed at the kite. Sarah took the photo.
Say ice cream.
She said, "Ice cream!" They all shouted and laughed. After a while, their cones were gone. Only sticky fingers were left. Mom gave them napkins.
Time to clean up.
She said,
Thank you, Mom.
said Mia.
You kids had a good time.
Said Dad,
The best time.
said Leo. The man waved.
Bye, friends.
Bye, the kids called. They walked back to the grass, happy and full. Their hands were clean, but their hearts were warm.
Let's fly the kite one more time.
Said Mia,
Before the sun goes down.
said Sarah. They picked up the string. The kite went up again, slow and smooth. The park was quiet now. People were leaving, but the children still played. It was a sweet end to a sweet treat. Chapter 5, A Sunset Goodbye. The sun was going down. The sky turned orange and pink,
It's beautiful.
said Mia,
Look at the clouds.
said Leo.
They are pink, too.
Sarah pointed.
The sun looks like a big red ball.
The children sat on the grass with their parents. The kite string was in Mia's hand. The kite flew slowly in the soft wind.
I don't want to go home.
Said Leo,
Me neither.
said Mia. Sarah nodded.
This day was perfect.
Mom smiled,
We can come again next weekend.
Really?
asked Mia.
Of course.
Said Dad.
The park will be here.
Birds flew in the sky. A dog barked in the distance. The trees moved gently in the breeze. Mia lay down on the blanket.
I feel sleepy.
Sarah lay next to her.
Me too. But happy sleepy.
Leo took one more picture of the sunset.
I want to remember this.
A couple walked by, holding hands. A boy rode his bike past them. A man threw a ball for his dog,
It's peaceful now.
said Mom.
Yes,
Said Dad.
the perfect ending.
The children packed up their things. They folded the kite and put it in the bag. They cleaned up the blanket and picked up the trash,
We were good visitors.
said Sarah.
That's important.
Said Mom. They walked to the car. The sun was almost gone. Just a soft light stayed in the sky,
Let's count our favorite parts of the day.
said Leo.
I'll start.
Said Mia.
My favorite was feeding the ducks.
I liked flying the kite.
Said Sarah.
Ice cream was the best.
Said Leo. Mom said,
I liked walking with you.
Dad smiled.
I liked watching you all laugh.
They got into the car and closed the doors,
Goodbye, Park.
said Mia.
See you soon.
Said Leo. Sarah looked out the window,
It's dark now.
But the day is in our hearts.
said Mia. The car drove away slowly and quietly. Behind them, the park stayed still. The trees stood tall. The ducks slept by the pond. The ice cream cart was gone. The sky turned dark blue. The day was over, but the memories stayed. It was a perfect day at the park.